Hello everyone. Today, I will show you how to fix video playback errors and syncing problems with Stellar Video Repair software. Are you facing problems while viewing your favorite videos? Either you are getting video playback errors, or there's an audio-video sync issue. No matter what the problem is, Stellar Video Repair is the solution for you. Let's see how. You need to simply download and install the software. Now you need to browse and add the files you want to repair by clicking on Add File option. You can either select a single file or multiple files for repairing. Now, click on the option Repair and let the software do all the fixing. Once repairing process is complete, the software shows a list of video files with their status. The files with status Completed are repaired, and you can watch the preview of those files. For the files with status awaiting action, you need to click on Advanced Repair to fix them, as they are severely corrupted. For using the option Advanced Repair, you need to click Next and add a sample video, which is basically a working file of any size created from the same device and of the same format as of the corrupted file. After the process is done, click on Save Repaired File to save the repaired files in your desired location. Just a few clicks, and you'll have no audio-video syncing problems or any kind of video playback errors. So download this amazing software to bring your videos back to life.